Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use CSS Tailwind in a Next.js project. There's actually two ways of doing this. The first one is just initializing the CSS Tailwind when creating the Next.js project. So first I'm going to show you how to do this, and afterwards we can see how we do it manually. So if you're creating a project, just type npx create next app. Let's just call it example and then say with Tailwind CSS. See what it's saying. What is your project name? YouTube test it 1. Now it's downloading the files. That's actually it. Here we have our Next.js project, and as you see here, it already has the Tailwind config, so Tailwind is set up. The second method is actually installing Tailwind manually. So let's create a new next project. Oh, that's run. npx create next app. Let's call it YouTube test 2 manually. The project is being created. Perfect. Here's the project. Now we have to go into the folder of the project, so cd YouTube test 2 manually. Oh, I typed wrong. YouTube test 2 manually. Yes, perfect. So now we're in the folder. We have to install Tailwind CSS. So type npm install /d Tailwind CSS postcss autoprefixer. Now we need to create the Tailwind config file. So type npx Tailwind CSS init /p. Oh, I think it's npm Tailwind CSS init p. Like this. npx Tailwind CSS init p. In the Tailwind config, now we have to tell CSS Tailwind what files it's going to affect. So we wanted to be a part of all of our pages and components. So we say ./pages *** dot, and then we tell it which files it's actually going to affect. So let's just take all JS, TS, JSX, TSX. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And also we wanted to do the components. So we say components /stars star, and then again here we say js.ts.jsx.tsx. That's perfect. So you see here, now we tell the content of the CSS that it have to go to these files. We also need in our globals.css we can just delete all this because we're using Tailwind. We want to tell it that the Tailwind base is necessary, the Tailwind components, and Tailwind utilities should be a part of this. So now everything should be ready. We can actually test this by going into our project. Let's just do like this, h1, hey. This is Tailwind CSS. Save this. Now start the project, npm run dev. And it's run on the server. So we go to the browser, say localhost 3000. As you see here, this is the project that we just edited. Let's go back to this and say something in Tailwind. Let's just say BG blue 500. This is a Tailwind thing. We save this, and you see the BG is blue as it is. It should be. We can also do other stuff, but that's for a later video. Let's just say font Excel or font bold, something like that. You see the font is bold. So thank you very much for watching the video. I'll do some component structures in the later videos where we can create some pricing tables and stuff like that if anyone is interested. So yeah, thank you. Please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.